Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to add page number in Excel. So to insert page number in Excel, first of all, go in View tab and select Page Layout. Click on Insert tab and here you can see Header and Footer. Go in this and you will see three sections where you can add page number. In Header, and suppose I am entering page number here, so in above design tab you can see here is page number. Click on this and the code of page number will appear here. If you will click anywhere on the sheet, you can see page number are inserted. So in this way you can add page number in header, and if you want to add page number in footer, go in lower section of the page and click here, and here you can add page number, and again click anywhere and you can see the page number is added. So this is how you can add page number in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.